Here with me is the JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth headphones. This is a budget headphone and is currently sold in Nigeria for 40,000 Naira, which is equivalent to $46. Without wasting your time, let's get right to the unboxing. In the box, you will get the quick start guide, which contains the necessary information you will need to understand the headphones better. We have the safety instruction and warranty card, a 0.2 meter USB-A to USB charging cable for charging the headphones, and then the JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth headphones, which comes in the box semi-folded. My first impression of these headphones is that they have decent build quality considering how much I bought them. Now let's talk about the design. These Tune 510 headphones are lightweight thanks to the plastic material it is made of. While this is made of plastic, the headphones appear and feel sturdy and strong. The ear cups are cushioned with padded soft material, and so is the upper part of the headband that sits on the head, making these headphones comfortable to wear for extended periods. The ear cups can be rotated and the headband expandable as desired. The ear cups also can be completely folded flat or in, making it easy to be carried around or simply for storage. Just like other headphones, the control on the headphones are simple and can be easily accessed on the right ear cup, which makes it easy to control your sound and manage your calls. The buttons include the power button, the volume buttons, and the multifunction button that serves as the pause button or Hey Siri button or Hey Google button depending on the device you use. You can activate the voice assistant of your device by simply pushing the multifunction button. Here we have the USB-C port for charging the headphones. This product is advertised to offer 40 hours of playtime, and to fully charge the headphones from empty takes about 2 hours. After fully charging these headphones, which was quick, I was able to use this for a whole week for nothing less than 6 hours per day on medium volume before charging it again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button now as a show of support, which I really do need. Thank you. Moving to the sound. These headphones have Bluetooth 5.0, which enables one to stream high quality sound without the hassle of handling messy cords. Pairing of these headphones with my phone was easy and quick. As expected, it features JBL Pure Bass Sound, and the sound is amazingly excellent and loud enough for headphones with 32mm drivers. They offer good noise isolation and don't leak a lot of sound while in use. Answering calls with this device sounds great with voice coming from both ears clean and clear. These headphones also have one inbuilt microphone, which enhances the overall audio experience. In summary, these are great headphones. I would recommend them to anyone looking for budget headphones that offer those very important features that matter most. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.